My fellow Jamaicans, the final moments of 2024 have come and gone, and today we begin a new chapter, the dawn of a new year, brimming with the promise and opportunity to chart a better course for ourselves, our families, and our beloved Jamaica. The dawn of a new year is a call to embrace fresh beginnings, to reflect on the lessons of yesterday, and to step boldly into tomorrow with purpose and determination. As we step into 2025, we do so with hope in our hearts, even as we honestly and courageously acknowledge the challenges that we face as a nation. The past year has been one of mixed fortunes for our country. On the positive side, our athletes raised their performance in field events to a new level, bringing glory to Jamaica at the Paris Olympics and showing the world the breadth of our talent in athletics. On the other hand, we encountered the devastating Hurricane Beryl, which wreaked havoc in several parishes and caused major disruption to many lives, damaging homes, schools, farms, and infrastructure, and setting back the economy. We endured the ongoing man-made disaster of high levels of violent crime, robbing us of loved ones, putting communities in fear, stifling opportunities, and casting a long shadow over the progress of our people. Every life lost to violence is one too many, and every family torn apart by crime is another blot on our record as a nation. In 2025, we will face a year of intense political activity as the country moves towards general elections. The nation's leaders must set an example by word and deed that there is no place for violence and intimidation in our nation's political affairs. Our leaders must ensure that there is no repetition of the offensive and divisive rhetoric which sometimes soiled our national discourse in 2024. It offends the spirit of one love and violates the ideals of togetherness embraced in our nation's motto, out of many, one people. The police must conduct themselves with absolute professionalism. The nation is relying on you to reject partisanship in the conduct of your duty to serve and protect all Jamaicans. We will continue to consult and engage with the people, bringing forward our vision for a better Jamaica and championing causes that matter deeply to you, finding ways to cushion the crisis of the high cost of living from which the people are suffering, improving the systems of education and training for our children and youths to build a productive and globally competitive workforce at all levels, taking stronger action against corruption and holding accountable those who violate the public trust by scraping public resources for their private benefit, implementing more effective strategies for reducing violent crime, improving the experience and outcomes for people seeking health care in public hospitals where they are often treated in a way that does not befit their integrity, bringing down the price of electricity, which is a national imperative for driving economic growth, and making our bureaucracy more efficient so that Jamaica is an easy and welcoming place to invest and do business. For the remaining period that we are in opposition, which by all accounts will not be long, we continue to perform our national duty of vigilantly holding the government to account and defending the Constitution from any machinations which violate the principles of good governance or erode the rights of our people. On the matter of constitutional reform, our position is consistent and clear. When it comes to our head of state and our final court, Jamaica must move now to full decolonization and the establishment of full sovereignty for our people. Our people must be guaranteed access to justice, which the current arrangements for our final court fundamentally deny. We will not support a piecemeal approach to delinking from the UK monarchy. We will not support a mechanism for appointing the nation's president, which would allow the ruling party to install someone who does not enjoy the trust and confidence of all. We believe that mechanisms for more democratic, participatory, transparent, and accountable governance should be included in the reform measures, including the mechanism of impeachment, which has long been a point of bipartisan agreement and continues to enjoy strong support among the Jamaican people. And we would like to see mechanisms in place to enable our Jamaican diaspora, who are so integral to our people's welfare and our national fortunes, to participate more meaningfully in national development. As we commence this new year, I reaffirm our commitment to building a Jamaica that works for all Jamaicans, especially those who need the state to ensure equality of access to opportunities. In the year ahead, let us draw strength from our many achievements as a nation and resolve as Jamaicans to come together in unity, unity of purpose, to overcome our remaining challenges. In 2025, which is the silver jubilee of the 21st century, let us all commit to being part of the solution, as each of us has an important role to play in building the greatness of our Jamaica. On behalf of my family, I wish you and your family, and indeed the whole Jamaican family, at home and abroad, a new year filled with love, hope, compassion, and progress in all our lives. May God bless you all, and may God bless Jamaica, land we love.